In this video, we will start looking at how you can customize the appearance of a model by applying your own graphics and image. To apply a graphics to a model, simply drag and drop it into the canvas or a scene panel, targeting whichever object you want to apply it to. By default, graphics are applied in declare mode. Click and drag inside the circle to position the graphic. Click and drag on the square handles to scale the graphic. You can hold shift to scale uniformly. Click and drag on the circle handles to rotate the graphic. You can also change the placement mode to fill. Fill mode will cover the entire material with the graphic. You can then tile, offset and rotate the graphic layer, repeating it across the surface. Graphic layer have some appearance properties just like materials, so you can adjust their opacity, glossiness and metallic effect. Graphic layers are composite down onto the materials and will inherit any other material properties like bumps created by neural maps or the glow property. If your graphic is a Photoshop or Illustrator file, Dimension will also read artboards and provide an option to select which artboard you want to use. We hope this video has been helpful in seeing the flexibility and how you can customize the look of your models by applying your own graphics and image.